Assalamu alaikum viewers, you are watching Center Engineering Services and I am your host Qamar Hassan Iqbal. Friends, you see in our last videos how to create the project and how to make the latching, holding and basic instruction for the set, reset, SR or S flip-flop, and all this we already and timer we see in our last videos. If you not see, you can subscribe my channel and visit our page on YouTube and also on Facebook and see our last videos regarding this. Today we are going to discuss about the more instruction regarding the programming, and we are doing very slowly that everyone will check this and do the practice at their own system. If you have any issue, let me know, I will again explain. And some friend text me that they require different programs, so I also make according to their requirement. So you can also text me, so I will make your program that you required. So today first I will select one CPU. This CPU selection depends upon you, that you have which one available CPU. You can physically available, you can select this physical, so according to your physical model and series. So I have this 315 2DP, so it's like this. So you can go here, I will add one video card. Okay, this is our device configuration complete, so I will go on main block, OB block 1 and do the programming that you already seen in my last video. So today we discuss this general instruction, bit logic instructions and timer operation. So today we will go on counter operation and we will see this counter. In Siemens there is 3 types of counter available: counter up, counter down and counter up down. Normally use this counter up, counter down not too much used, counter up down not too much used. And in other PLC models also this only counter up mostly available. Some cases is down available, but up down normally not available in any other. So these are the only Siemens symmetric counters that not available in any other model, like brand like Allen Bradley and Mitsubishi and Fatigue Delta is only for the Siemens. So first we will check this counter up. Counter up, when I click it will give the data block. Actually that is a block. Another language is a block language, functional block language we are not using, but actually in ladder we will mix the block language also, sometimes instruction list also. So here they show data block, and later in our video we will see this add new block, what's here and what's the meaning of this add new block, and that you can see this data block in detail. So here only we will, okay, we use here one input for enabling I 0.0, that is used for reset. I directly put 0.1. you can directly also write here, no issue. And for the PV actually showing that your counter value, how much you want to counter enable. After this, when this achieve this value, your output will be enabled. So I will go on output also. For the CV, Q is already show. I already told in previous is that Q is showing the output in Siemens, and CV is if you want to see your counter value in any SCADA or HMI display, you can tag here and then this tag show attached with the SCADA or HMI. Here we do not see anything, so here you only, I will tell you that okay, you can spare it. sorry, we are not using here SCADA. When I will do SCADA and HMI, I will tell you and show you how you use this CV, because there must be required to connect HMI and SCADA. Okay, we will go and simulate. This programming is complete for this counter up. I will run the PLC. Now our PLC is running. Okay, here I will go our interfaces. PG interfaces Profibus and PG interfaces PC is PLC. Okay, I will do the searching. I will load. Okay, when you use any counter, any timer, then I already told this download to device also need to select. Okay, because it's a separate device that you need to download this block. I already told before that is a block. So I will open the monitor also. You can see here in monitorization. Okay, we'll start. You see, till now our counter is not enabled, is off, and its value is also false because we are not reset, and its counter value, target value is 4 and counter have 0, and our output is also off. I will show here. First I will use 1 bit. I will give on. I B. Okay, 1. I will one time I on it and close. Here is one time on. Then I will go second is 2, third, and on fourth it will be off. It should be on. You see here when counter value is 4 is matching with our PV, so it will give the output. When we will reset 01 is again value is 0. Again we will do, see, that is a counter up because it's going positive side. So let's see the counter down. We will use counter down. Same thing, they are asking the data block. Okay, automatically okay. LD. Okay, same. LD, you see in our counter up we use the value is reset. Here is a load, mean you can use your maximum value. Load, for load I will use I0.1. Counter value I will again put 4. Okay, I will upload. Delete. Delete means this old block is saved in his memory, so I want to delete and download to device new one. Counter actually automatically load in his device, that's why we need to delete it. Old one and new one we need to load. See why is showing? Is showing because the value already, our counter value is 4 but our value is already less, so when you do is going down like -2, -3. Now is going down, reducing. Before we are doing this is going up, now is reducing. So what we will do, we will use load data. Load data, it will load this 4. I will load Now load 4, or automatically load 4, the value is matching, it will be give 0 here. Actually it's reverse. When I will use this one, you see, when you go 0, it will be on like this. That is a counter down. So if you have any confusion, anything, you can text me. I will explain again about this. So now we will discuss about the counter up down. Same thing, you can select. Okay, here you see counter up. When I enable, it will be count up. Counter down, when I will be use this one, it will counter downward. It will be reduce your value, counter value. It's reset. When I use this, it will reset to its original value is 0. Load, you see in counter down, load can put your PV value into counter value. Okay, I will use 5. This counter, when counter up, target achieved, then it will be on this Q 0.0, and it will be on when counter down, target achieved. Okay, it's not used too much in industry, so, and also in other brand of PLC this counter not available, so don't worry about this. But if any confusion, you can ask me anytime. So first we will see counter up. You see here is 0. I will use counter up, and on 0 counter down, because on 0 counter down into enable, it's already enabled. But when I will counter up, you know, the value is 1, counter down, output is also off. Let's see, first counter up, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This output is on. When I reset, I will reset. When I reset, counter down automatically. In second, I will see, I will use to counter up. I will go 5 on. Now I need to down this. I will use that input to reduce this power counter value. Okay, now you see value is going 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. That's true. So that is the actually counter that we are using in our programming. So if you have any query about this counter, you can text me or comments or video. I will explain again regarding your confusion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.